Have you ever seen a cat play a football? This is a normal domestic cat. This is how he spends his days. He'll chase the ball around the house, jump and attack it, and then just stare at it like it's a wild animal. But sometimes he gets bored of that. This is what he does when he's bored. He takes the ball to the windowsill and bats it out into the garden. And then when it comes back in, he jumps up and down on it and attacks it some more. At! But you might be wondering, why does he have a football? Well, this is because this cat was adopted from a shelter. And when he came to his new home, he had a little football with him. It was the only toy that he had. And he was so happy when he got to keep it. So if you see a cat playing with a football, just remember, he might not be a pro player, but he's definitely got the moves.